this is unsolicited advice, okay? A quick one. There are things in life that you need to do in order. Like, you don't need to skip a step and do shortcuts, because if you do that, then the things may not go as you may want them to go. The first thing is that as a man, you need to learn. You need to learn. After you learn, then the second thing is you need to earn. Okay, you need to earn. You make sense of this maybe some other time. You need to earn, and thereafter you can enjoy what you've gotten from whatever you decided to do to engage in. Okay, so you need to learn. Learning, it doesn't mean from the school setup. You can learn through life. You can learn through a lot of resources that are there that you can learn from. You can learn from other people, for example. Okay, but yes, the academic route is a necessity that one has to go through. Okay, and then you keep on learning through life and things like that. Okay, learning is important, because if you, for example, you decide to earn without learning, chances are that you may lose whatever you've earned, okay, within a short period of time, or in a blink of an eye. You can be scammed, or anything can happen because you haven't learned. Okay, and when you learn how to earn, life becomes easy. The perception that you look at life is completely different. Okay, you find that some of the things that you see as a problem are things that can give you money. Okay, because that's what entrepreneurs do. Entrepreneurs look for problems and then try to find solutions to those problems, and then they end up making money. If you find a solution to a problem that is affecting a lot of people, you will make a lot of money. That's just how it works. Okay, so for you to find the solution to that problem, you need to learn. Okay, you learn, then obviously the money will come to you. You earn. Okay, and after you earn, you can enjoy. You do whatever you want with your money, but within the confines of the law. And again, if you skip a step in these three things, like you learn, earn, then you enjoy. Let's say, for example, you're working, and then you can get some money from banks, financial institutions here and there. If you spend that money enjoying, because remember, if you get money from somewhere, that is not yours. Okay, you've borrowed that money. You need to pay back at some point. And if you use it to enjoy without earning, then you have a problem. You learn it the hard way when it comes to paying back the money, especially that if it's not invested in revenue generating activities or in business, let's say, you have a problem paying back, because again, when you get money from financial institutions, you find that sometimes the monetary policy changes, meaning that maybe the period that you're supposed to pay, you agree to pay 2 years or 5 years, because the government has decided to say the monetary policy has changed. They have adjusted through the central bank, and then your repayment period will be extended, or they increase the money that you pay every month. Okay, and that may affect your plans. Chances are that you learn it the hard way. But if you invest in business, giving you more money than the interest that you're supposed to pay on that money, yeah, you are good to go, because and that decision can only be made by people who have learned okay, how to manage these things, finances and everything. But if you haven't, and then you decide to use the money that you've borrowed for enjoyment, and it means you've skipped that stage of learning and earning, especially the earning part. You didn't earn that money, but it came to you, and then you use it for enjoyment. So you will spend that money enjoying, and then you will have to learn it the hard way. You learn the lesson the hard way. So remember, learn, earn, enjoy, or invest if you want. Okay, but the issue of investing is maybe a topic for another day, but those two must never be you can't jump one and go to the other. First learn, earn. Okay, when you earn, you have the power within yourself to control how you spend that money, or how you do with all those things. So this is unsolicited advice. See you.